here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 and 65 Chevelle and El Camino bumpers by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Here at Original Parts Group, we pride ourselves on quality, and these bumpers definitely do not disappoint. When it's time to replace your pitted, rusted, or damaged bumper, our die-stamped steel bumpers are beautifully shaped to the factory specifications with all the correct holes, openings, and curves. All the holes for bumper brackets, license plate lamps, and fuel door mounting are in the exact OEM spots for a smooth installation. At the end of the production line, every bumper is finished with a brilliant triple chrome plating for that long-lasting shine. True showroom quality that you can count on. We also showcased these bumpers on our 1965 Malibu SS at the SEMA show in 2012. 7 years and many car shows later, and these bumpers still shine just as bright as when we pulled them out of the box. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.